Shwmae pawb? Hi, it's Lisa from the Talk and Play team and welcome to today's Snuggle Club. Today I'll be reading a story of What's That Noise, Little Mouse. Are we ready? The moon was up and the night was still and Little Mouse was half asleep. All at once there came a noise, a long and loud trembling sound. Doo, doo, doo. What's that? Cried Little Mouse, now wide awake, hiding his covers tight. But then he heard another noise, a steady tapping in the night. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Little Mouse crouched up to bed and tiptoed out from his room. His heart was all a-flutter. Outside the wind was stirring in the trees, shaking the leaves and shivering breeze. Through the hall windows, crisp and clear, came a bustling, rustling, whispering sound. Shh! Oh my goodness! Little Mouse gasped, and he scampered downstairs as fast as he could. Standing alone in the kitchen, he couldn't believe his ears. A wet and wobbly, dripping noise dribbled in the dark. Drip, 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 drip. It's a ghostie! Little Mouse cried, and he ran and hid in the cupboard. Oh dear. The moonlight crept through the cupboard door, casting shadows all around. Little Mouse heard a grating sound, a creaking, squeaking, scraping sound. Creak. Oh dear me. The ghostie's coming to get me, the Little Mouse wailed. He raced up the stairs and dived beneath the covers. But then there came the worst noise of all. A rattling, chattering, clattering sound, and it was heading straight towards Little Mouse. I wonder what it could be. Shaking and quaking and quivering and shivering, Little Mouse let out the loudest sound of all. Wah! Quick as a flash, Mammy Mouse scampered into the room. What is it, little one? She called. It's a ghostie, Little Mouse cried. It's louder than loud. Can't you hear it? I can only hear an owl singing his song, said Mammy Mouse. To-wick-to-woo, to-wick-to-woo. And your little clock ticking you to lull you to sleep. Tick-tock, tick-tock. Shh. There's a breeze in the trees wishing you a good night, and a kitchen tap dripping. A cupboard door creaking, creak, and your window pane rattling. Mammy Mouse smiled. No ghostie then, Little Mouse. I don't think there was. Mammy Mouse tucked him up and cuddled him close. Sweet dreams, sleep tight, wish a mouse a quiet night, she sang to him softly. And soon the only noise to be heard in the whole of the house was the thunderous sound of a little mouse snoring. The end. I hope you enjoyed my story today. Come again soon. Hwyl fawr everyone.